Hi guys, I have this blind box and I got it from my sister and I got a friend that's called Aman and they both won this for me. And it's like it's a phone charm blind box. Well, it's not really a phone charm to me because I have an iPad and I'm gonna put it on my iPad. And this is the options. If you want to see, yeah. And I'm going to say it. So, this one is aqua. And this brown one is coffee. This one is blossom. This one is ash. This one's sky. This one's plum. This one's another aqua, but it's sitting down. And then this one's plum. And then this one's coffee. And then this one's ash. And then this one is blossom. And yeah. And this is sky. So I just want to get any, okay? I'm grateful with any. Okay. Who? Okay. Let's get opening in this. Oh my god, this. Okay, I'm opening it the messy way. Oh my god, this packaging is so cute. Look at this. So cute. I'm definitely keeping the box though. And this. Okay, where's the okay. 3, 2, 1. Okay, this is the card, I think. I'm gonna get the card here. I don't know if it shows what it is. It's fluffy. Ooh! What did I get? It's like a have a seat one. Yeah. Oh, this is not. But if you open it, it shows you what I do get. And it's telling about the personality, the favorite, the special thingy, I don't know what that says, and favorite activity. Yeah. This is so cute. And yeah. Bye guys.